Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you fast for 5 days? Fasting, a practice as old as time itself, has been revered across various cultures for its potent power. From spiritual enlightenment to physical health benefits, fasting has always held a unique place in human history. This video will delve into the science-backed health benefits that can be reaped from a 5-day fast. So fasten your seatbelts and dive in with us as we unravel the fascinating effects of a 5-day fast on your body. First up, fasting can play a significant role in blood sugar control. When we fast, our bodies start to change how they use and store energy. Instead of relying on a constant supply of glucose from food, they switch to using stored fat as fuel. This can lead to a decrease in insulin resistance, a key factor in controlling blood sugar. It's like hitting the reset button on your metabolism. Now let's dive a little deeper. Several scientific studies have shown that intermittent fasting can help reduce insulin resistance, leading to lower blood sugar levels. One study found that after a 5-day fasting period, participants experienced a significant reduction in blood glucose levels. This is particularly beneficial for those at risk of developing type 2 diabetes, as maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial to preventing the disease. So, a 5-day fast could potentially help keep those blood sugar levels in check. Before we continue, we have an amazing secret product that we have to share with our viewers. Did you hear about the unusual rice method that liquefies fat cells as you sleep? Yes, you heard me right. Clinical studies confirm just 30 seconds of this simple rice technique boosts calorie burning and fat dissolving by over 326%. That's more calories than 45 minutes of running. If you are interested, please click the link below to reveal the secret plant you never knew, or you can visit our website for more information. Alright, let's continue. Did you know fasting can also fight inflammation? That's right, fasting isn't just about weight loss or detoxification. It's also a powerful tool in reducing inflammation, a key contributor to chronic diseases. When you fast, your body goes into repair mode. It starts by getting rid of damaged cells, including those causing inflammation. This process is called autophagy. It's like a spring cleaning for your cells, helping to reduce inflammation and promote better overall health. Multiple scientific studies have shown this effect. A study published in the journal Cell, for instance, found that fasting activates a molecule that can delay the aging of our arteries, including chronic inflammation. Another study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that intermittent fasting could help reduce inflammation and improve chronic inflammatory diseases. So the next time you're feeling a bit inflamed, a 5-day fast could be just what you need. It's not just a path to a slimmer you, but also a healthier, less inflamed you. Fasting might be the heart's best friend. Imagine having a tool at your disposal that could potentially enhance your heart health. Fasting, particularly for a 5-day period, might just be that tool. But how does it work? Well, by restricting caloric intake for a set period of time, fasting can lead to several physiological changes that are beneficial to the heart. For starters, fasting has been linked to improved blood pressure. This is crucial because maintaining a healthy blood pressure can reduce the risk of heart disease. Fasting can also promote a decrease in triglycerides and cholesterol levels. High levels of these fats in your blood can lead to the buildup of plaques in your arteries, a major risk factor for heart disease. A study published in the American Journal of Cardiology found that intermittent fasting led to significant reductions in cholesterol and triglycerides. So it's fascinating to think that a simple practice like fasting can have such profound effects on heart health. It seems a 5-day fast could give your heart a healthy boost. What if we told you fasting could boost your brain function? Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Well, it's not just a wild claim. Scientific research has shown that fasting could indeed enhance our brain functionality. During fasting, our body initiates a process called autophagy, a cellular cleanup process that breaks down and recycles dysfunctional proteins and components. This process is particularly beneficial for the brain as it helps to clear out the debris and protein buildup that can lead to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Moreover, fasting has been found to stimulate the growth of new neurons in the brain, a process known as neurogenesis. This not only boosts cognitive function, but also improves mood and memory. And it doesn't stop there. Fasting also increases levels of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. BDNF acts like fertilizer for the brain, supporting the survival of existing neurons and encouraging the growth and differentiation of new ones. Imagine, a 5-day fast could potentially make you smarter and protect your brain. And yes, fasting can indeed aid weight loss. Now let's dive into how this happens. When we fast, the body's energy needs are not met through food intake. This forces the body to tap into stored energy reserves, primarily fat. This process of burning fat for fuel is known as ketosis, leading to weight loss. But fasting does more than just limit calorie intake. It also kickstarts your metabolism. When food intake is reduced, your body compensates by becoming more efficient at utilizing its energy stores. Another fascinating aspect of fasting is its effect on growth hormone secretion. During a fast, your body increases the production of growth hormone, a key player in metabolism, weight loss, and muscle strength. So, fasting isn't just about skipping meals. It's about resetting your body, boosting your metabolism, and increasing the efficiency of energy utilization. So, a 5-day fast could be your new ally in your weight loss journey. As we've seen, the benefits of a 5-day fast are numerous and significant. Let's take a moment to recap what we've covered. First off, fasting can be a powerful tool for blood sugar control. It has been shown to reduce insulin resistance, helping your body use glucose more efficiently. This could be a game changer for those battling high blood sugar levels. Next, fasting may help combat inflammation, a key culprit behind many chronic conditions. By taking a break from eating, your body gets a chance to fight off inflammation, promoting better overall health. Now let's talk about heart health. Fasting may enhance this by improving blood pressure, triglycerides, and cholesterol levels. It's like giving your heart a well-deserved tune-up. And let's not forget about the brain. Fasting may boost brain function and potentially ward off neurodegenerative disorders. It's like a workout for your mind, keeping it sharp and agile. Fasting can also aid weight loss. By limiting calorie intake and boosting metabolism, it can help you shed those extra pounds. Plus, it increases growth hormone secretion, vital for growth, metabolism, weight loss, and muscle strength. And the cherry on top? Fasting could potentially extend your lifespan and aid in cancer prevention. It might even increase the effectiveness of chemotherapy. Remember, before starting any fasting regimen, consult with your doctor or a health professional. Happy fasting, and until next time, stay healthy. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. It's our mission to provide you with the most up-to-date and accurate information on health and wellness. If you've enjoyed this content and want to stay informed on topics like fasting and more, remember to subscribe to our channel. Did you find this video on fasting benefits useful? If so, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends, family, or anyone else who might benefit from this information. We'd also love to hear from you. Do you have any experiences with fasting you'd like to share? Or perhaps you have questions about fasting we haven't covered? Feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a like, and leave your comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and happy fasting.